Welcome to the Center for Bible Studies YouTube channel. I'm really glad that you found us. My name is Dr. Max Botner. I'm a biblical scholar and professor, taught both at university, undergraduate level, as well as graduate level. I love connecting with people, love helping people connect with scripture. I do a lot on this channel with other scholars, interviews about their work. I love getting in-depth, nitty-gritty, kind of historical, theological discussions, debates. There are a variety of perspectives that you'll encounter on this channel, some of which maybe you agree with, some of which maybe you don't, but I love providing that breadth and depth. In addition to the interviews that I do with other scholars, I regularly teach public classes on biblical and theological topics. I also bring in other scholars. Some of that you'll encounter on the YouTube channel, but it's all kept together on another platform which we use to deliver our classes. And you can get access to all of that for as little as $5 a month. That also helps support the ongoing work that this channel does and ensures that we can continue to teach classes and bring in other scholars. So if you're interested in supporting the work that we do, the best thing you can do is become a member. You can also check out our courses individually, and that library will continue to grow with us as the years go on. So you're going to get ongoing access to a growing library, seminary, graduate level kind of courses on books of the Bible, theological topics, special lectures from expert scholars. So I hope you consider checking that out. But otherwise, please do explore the channel. A great place to get started would be some of my work on biblical interpretation. Thanks for checking us out.